Now this is how we can show the clock as a Mac screensaver. So what you have to do is at first download one from the internet. So I'm going to go to the Safari in here. And what I need to type in is essentially a flip clock for the Mac, right? So I'm going to type in the flip clock on Mac like this, and this is what you can find. Obviously plenty of options, but this is the most popular choice, the one called Fliqlo, which you can see I just clicked on. This is the one which I'm talking about, the Flick Clock, right? This is what it's called, and you have to download this one to your Mac, right? So as you can see, I'm gonna get inside, and this is how it's gonna look on your devices, right? So if you like that, what you need to do is to click on more options and enable it as a screensaver, right? So I'm gonna download it for the macOS like this. If there's an ad, I'm gonna close it like this, and I'm gonna allow the downloads. So once the thing is downloaded, as you can see, it's pretty small. I'm gonna click on it like this, and it's gonna open up, right? So what I can do right now is click on the screensaver again. I'm gonna allow it to be installed inside of the settings like that, and then now it is part of my screensaver section, right? So as you can see, I can have it in there. I'm gonna click on the screensaver. I can choose obviously when it starts, so it might be after 1 minute and so on, but you have to click on the custom and choose the one which we just downloaded, right? So as you can see at the end of the other list, we have the Fliqlo, whatever you want to pronounce it, and this is how we need to select it. So it is going to be set to done like that, and then now I'm gonna have a screensaver, which is this one, set to never, or I don't know, after 1 minute, or however you decided, and it's how you select it. Of course, you have some additional settings for the Fliqlo as well, so you can click on the options in there, and it should give you some options, but it doesn't do much. So yeah, that's it. After the selected time, the flip clock is going to be selected and shown on my screensaver. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you managed to set it up. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.